This is a kind of a little story about my first camper build. Started out because I went camping in my little truck, but had an uncomfortable experience. So I decided to put a little camper on the back of the truck, but because I wasn't able to find a camper that actually fit my truck, and the weight was an issue as well, I decided to go ahead and build my own. I used plywood inside and out and insulation. I wanted it fully insulated. I made it a little bit bigger than the length of my truck bed, which is only 6 feet, and it was sitting on the top of the tailgate. I had load locks holding it in. It was very secure. As I was building it, I had no plans. I just had a vision in my mind, and I did make a few little mistakes that I had to correct along the way and repair and take apart and redo, and to make it nice, watertight, etc. The interior I whitewashed because the plain wood was a little bit too dark. The exterior had a redwood stain and a blue spruce stain. I wanted it to match the truck somewhat, and the color scheme really did look good on the truck. I called it my little jewel box because it reminded me of a little jewel box sitting on the back of my truck. I got a lot of compliments when I was camping in it. Very comfortable, very warm. I stayed in Bend, Oregon in the winter. I think it was 16 degrees below at the time I was camping. I had 6 tea candles, beeswax tea candles, that I burned through the night, and it kept the little camper toasty warm. I do have a vent that I put on the top. I think that was probably the most expensive single thing I did buy for the little camper. And of course, burning fire inside such a small space, you do need to A, be careful, and B, make sure you have plenty of ventilation, which the vent was fine. The door window is removable as well, so there is extra ventilation there if I needed it. All in all, the camper turned out really well. I'm very pleased with it. The only difficulty with the camper was that it was 580 pounds without any of my stuff in it, and that was about 180 pounds more than my truck really wanted to carry. And then after I put my own things in it, it was a little bit of a load for a little 4-cylinder Toyota. I have changed the interior a few times, and anyway, it's for sale now if anybody's interested. Leave a comment and I will get back to you.